Good morning. I am on vacation, so there's a possibility that you'll be getting a daily vlog for 1 week. A possibility, a strong possibility. Hi guys, I just picked up the phone and decided to start vlogging. Right now, I am sitting here watching With the Perrys, Christian couple, poet, teachers, apologists, all of those good things.
I don't know, man. We do a whole lot of stuff. So if you follow us on Instagram or Foodies, follow me to Jackie. All I did was eat Chinese food and Skittles. That was like, that's what I ate all the time. It was just like and Fruitopia. But it's like, man, it's something special, unique about the preparation of food, how it's prepared, and the culinary aspect of it, and just.
Jackie's from St. Louis, so her story is very interesting. Ours are kind of similar, actually, just a little bit. And Preston's from Chicago, but that's neither here nor there. But anyway, if you want to go follow them, With the Perrys, you can follow them on Instagram at Jackie Hill Perry and Preston Perry. Anyway, so right now I got my MacBook right there, and I am sending some pictures. I just snapped some pictures from my best friend a couple days ago for her business, and I'm trying to send it to her. I tried to send it to her a few days ago, but it didn't work for some reason. It didn't go through, so I'm sending it to her. So y'all getting me. I'm crusty. I'm on vacation. I have not washed my face. I think I had a bite to eat, and I actually already jacked this day up because today is supposed to be my fast day, and I just started warming up food, and I was just like, I had started tasting. I'm like, oh God, I'm sorry. I gotta do it again a different day, but I don't know if it'll be this week. But I try to typically do my consecrations on Mondays, my fasting on Mondays. I don't know why I do it, but I just got into the habit of doing that. I try to just really spend time being in the Word of God, being in the presence of God, listening to some preaching and teaching on YouTube, especially when I'm at work and I'm working. I'll have YouTube running. I'll have somebody preaching, like Darius Daniels, Dr. Matthew Stevenson, Bishop T.D. Jakes, like somebody, you know, or some, like, I listen to a variety of preachers. So I try to, you know, have that going while I'm working, but or somebody that's inspirational, somebody that's Christian based, that's, you know, healthy for me to listen to. But that's what I'm doing right now. I do that. I'm emailing her now, going over some pictures, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing.
Parenting our children. Yeah, also, you know, behind the scenes of some of the ministries that we do like 30 Minutes with the Perry, our podcast, behind the scenes with Bold TV, and just seeing how we've been handling this whole quarantine situation. Just a variety of videos that you guys can check. Isn't back in the same spot? There we go. Okay. I see. Oh, the same spot. You got my be here. Yep.
So, anything else? Any closing remarks? Final thoughts?
I don't know, come on this journey with us. It sounds very corny. Don't edit it out.
My breath probably stinks, but you know, it be like that sometimes, you know. That's why y'all over there and I'm up here. You ain't even got to smell. God is so gracious and kind to you. I'm gonna get straight to it. I just want to talk about God today, if that's okay with you. Because I know it's typical of women's conferences in particular, where we can hear a whole lot about us. And I think that's valuable. I think that's valid. I think we do need to learn and understand us. But we are limited in our understanding of us if we are limited or shallow or surface in our understanding.
So I really don't have anything planned for today. I don't know what this day's gonna bring. I know what I need to do. But it's Monday and it's my first day of vacation because I worked overtime this weekend. And I don't know if I really want to do anything. I know I need to go to the grocery store because what I will not be doing is buying food twice a day for this whole week because I ain't got no food. I look crusty too, so I need to get myself together. I know that. So I don't know. We'll see as the day goes on. The day in the life of Teresa Adele. Why is it so bright again? Yeah. So, but yeah, that's where I am right now. I need to stop looking at the viewfinder. But anyway, yeah, this is what I'm on.
Let me tell you that I saw your boyfriend walking down the street. He was standing all shaky, hands all sweaty, and he could hardly speak. I might as well take a minute or two to put you onto some game.
I'm at the grocery store. I'm at Aldi and I forgot to bring my quarter.
What you need is everybody wanna talk too much, but what you need is a special touch.
That's gonna bother me.
A little dinner with a candlelight, and really when it comes down to it, pick a man that's down to fight. I'll give you bona fide loving, oh oh oh, the type that makes me feel old. I'll give you bona fide loving, oh oh oh, the type that makes me feel old.
I hate grabbing them boxes because it's hard to get rid of them when you want to recycle the stuff or whatever. So I'm just like, I don't want to do that. But it might have to be the plan. Very interesting going into the grocery stores nowadays because there is no guarantees that the grocery stores are gonna have everything that you need. So it's usually not the case, but then again, I have not been shopping that much because I haven't been cooking that much. I've not been in the mood to shop, which is partially why I've gained a lot of weight. And I refuse to step on the scale, but my body is showing and telling me, girl, you gained weight. So I didn't want to go to another store, but I'm gonna go ahead and go since I'm out. I need to get some milk and stuff. They didn't even have the milk that I use. They didn't have that. Their eggs was on sale. Super cheap. Yeah, so I'm headed to another grocery store. See if I can pick up some items that are essential to cooking.
The type that makes me feel old.
how hard it's been to find grits in the store. Old-fashioned grits. Oh my god. $5.99. Look at that. I hate stuff like that. I don't want to put it back over there just because it's probably spoiled now. This should be everybody's favorite drink, and it's 4 for $5. These mugs be dusty. Should I get the bold or regular? I think I'm gonna get the regular because the bold be leaving a spice in my throat. Okay. Rainbow. Aww. What you want to go? I'm ready to go home, ready to eat. I think more importantly, I'm ready to take these groceries out the car. Ain't got no shades in here. You know how the sun be when it just rains. It just seems like it's extra shiny, extra bright. I gotta take this down. Can you move? I had Jack in the Box in a long time. To a fast food restaurant, and I just spent all this money. I don't feel like rushing to cook. That is the thing. Alright, let's see how when I get to the crib. This is a one lane street. I hurry up and turn my camera on for that. People be driving crazy, man. Especially St. Louis. I think it's like everywhere now, like the younger kids, these younger boys are causing a lot of problems in the city. It's really younger boys, and it's really sad because they're so young. Their future is unlimited, and they choose out of every path they could choose. They choose to take the path of the streets. Adds nothing, no type of value to them, no type of value to their lives. I don't know what it does for them. But it's sad. It's very sad. especially after a certain time. I try to stay at home. The sun is shining so brightly in my face.